Clean? See? I can tell just by looking.
Can you?
The table looked wiped. Floor is done. No visible mess. That's clean.
I used to think the same. Research consistently shows that visual inspection overestimates cleanliness. Surfaces that look clean regularly fail when tested by other methods.
What other methods? Are you talking about lab coats, microscopes?
Not quite. The first step is writing down what clean actually means, not just wipe the desk. But the desk must be free of dust, stain, and visible dirt. Once it's written down, you have a goal. And once you have a goal, check it regularly. Measuring gives you data, and data helps you make better decisions.
But how can I actually assess whether the goal was reached? Until now, I've checked only whether the table looked wiped or someone showed up.
That's exactly the shift, and the method depends on the space and the risk level. Visual inspection works everywhere. It's fast and requires no equipment. Quality standards like Insta800 define exactly what surfaces need cleaning, what kind of soiling is acceptable, so every room has verifiable quality profile.
Quality profile for every room?
It sounds complex, but it means both. You and your supplier are looking at the same benchmark. No more, I thought it was fine, and I thought it wasn't.
So, visual inspection is enough then?
For lower risk spaces, often yes, but in higher risk environments like healthcare, you need more specific tools. ATP testing measures organic residue on a surface in seconds, so you know whether cleaning was actually effective, not just whether it happened. In the most critical spaces, like an operating theater, laboratory tests can identify specific pathogens. But not every room needs operating theater standards. The key is matching the method to the risk.
Okay, it does sound like overkill to me for a standard office.
It is, and here is one simple tool you can use even in an office. Let me show you what I mean.
That look perfectly clean. That's it. I will send penalty notice first thing tomorrow.
Hold on. This is information, not evidence for a fine. It's valuable feedback you can give your service provider. Focus here. Because cleaning contact surfaces matter. It helps prevent the spread of illness.
So instead of punishing, I can tell them where to improve.
Every time you measure, you collect data. The data shows what works and what doesn't. Over time, it helps you make better decisions.
So it's not only control, it helps us learn and improve.
You can only manage what you can measure.